Video 957. My name is Kanji Coder. The source code is here. You are on the fast code review. There is a longer version here. Tech demos only. Let's go. Okay, in the system index, I thought I was going to add something here. Turns out no. We're going to add a new system called IMPRINT. It's integer map printer. It's beneath the web PURL system and above PNG save, and it's a system functions mostly, because I wanted it to be a function-only system, but it needs a little bit of data for a buffer. Let's go down to the next section. Okay, so bomb area, right? This system right here is eventually going to call this new system so that we can verify the correctness of our simulation by printing out the tile map to the console. Const macros by system. Right beneath web PURL, we're stubbing in the imprint system constants. Nothing here yet. And then data by system. Inside of data by system, we're going to stub in the imprint data right here. Nothing here as yet. It's beneath web PURL, above PNG save. Lastly, here is the imprint function section. This is a monkey wrench macro, and this is our function. Function imprint byte map. Width and height of our byte map in bytes. Each tile is represented by a byte for this function, and the name we want to use to identify this when we print it out to the console. So here's our inputs, and then here's these four names in the same order as these four names occur here, an explanation. Here's another explanation of what this function does. We're going to loop through in scanline order and collect the data that we want to render to the console, and then do the rendering to the console here. End of the function. We'll do more in another video, okay? And then here's the end of the imprint function section. Okay, and it's above the PNG function section, right? This PNG save function section. Okay, so inside of the bomb area function section, inside of bomb area unit test main, right here in our check this simulation section, where we're checking to make sure the simulation is correct. If our simulation check passes, ooh, that's in the wrong fucking area. Ooh, that's the wrong fucking area. Okay, so this actually should not fucking go here. Oh, fucking God. Okay. God fucking damn it. Okay, well, we already fucking did it, so we're gonna pretend we didn't see it. We'll move it in the next video, but we don't want to be calling these inside of the loop. We want to be calling it outside of the loop. Oh, fucking well. We're fucking done. We'll fix it in the next goddamn video. I'm out of time.